Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. So today we're gonna be in another Minecraft video, but we are not gonna build. But first, let's clear our inventory because that's weird having stuff in your inventory. So now I removed 400 items and I made my dream home in Minecraft. So it's in a flat world and it's behind me. So close your eyes, guys, and I'm gonna say what the dream house looks like. And so close your eyes right now and I'm gonna count down. So close, and then 3, 2, 1, open your eyes. This is my dream home and this is quite detailed for me and I like it. A few holes that I made, I didn't fix them, I was lazy. So this is what my dream home looks like, but it's not that big. But when you look in the inside, it's super big. So first we gotta start off simple. We gotta start the tour outside. So we have our mailbox. I really put some stuff in there because, yeah. And this is my pool where I can bathe into all the time. And I like the pool, actually. I spend too much time. And I like swim here for like 1,000 years. And don't mind me, the floor is glitching there. See? So I'm just gonna go back. And these are some leaves, oak leaves, because I decided to put them. And don't look on the windows, guys. Please don't look in the window. Because I'm still not seeing. And this is, yeah, so let's go start the real tour, which is in the inside. So this is like stone, what I put all around, as you can see. So my favorite color here is purple. My other best friend's favorite color, pink. Other best friend's favorite color, blue. Other best friend's favorite color, white. And this is books. I kind of don't like reading, but yeah, that's what, yeah. Oops, I broke it. Sorry. So in the inside, you're gonna see this, which is changing color stuff, and it's like a dance floor for me, so I can dance and keep walking forward and that, and can keep jumping. And here is our kitchen, a crafting table for LOL. Just kidding. So I just put a crafting table there. So and this is the sink where I can wash my hands all day. Shh. Turn on the faucet. Shh. And my fridge, which has nothing in the chest. Useful, right? So these are the barrels, which I use for like food stuff, knives, kitchen stuff. And isn't that good, guys? And here is like a fake paper that I made. It's actually supposed to be carpet, but that's paper. What's that? I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. Guys, I hate it. It's giving me creepy vibes. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. So here is the living room. I mean, eating area, dining room. This is where we like eat. These are supposed to be plates, the item frame, but no, they're supposed to be it. So yeah. So I think I want it to be day. It's giving me creepy vibes. Okay. I'm scared, guys, to go in the bedroom. I mean the back room. So here's the bathroom. Okay, my dream home is getting quite creepy right now. It's giving me creepy vibes. So this is my bathroom. This is hot or cold buttons, and these are the shower. Cold shower, hot shower. So, and this is the toilet where I like go poo-poo. So let's go on my first person. Let's go into settings and go to my person. And hello everybody. I'm pooping right now. Wait, I can't poop, right? Pooping and pooping. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's go back into first person so we can keep on going to the tour of our house, and it's gonna be the last one. So here it is, the bedroom, which goes to there. So here is my bed, my best friend's bed, my best friend's bed, and my bigger best friend's bed. Oh, and here is the terrace, which is my favorite view, even though all to look at is animals and stupid grass. Am I this stupid? Why did I even put this in a flat world? But isn't it cute? But yeah, guys, this is all for the tour. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video and give me more subscribers. Like, I'm not having a lot of subscribers right now. So would you mind doing that for me, please? Pretty please. Like, please. I would do anything for my subscribers. So bye-bye, guys.